Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we'll be looking at how you can make your facility bookable for third parties. Let's get started. First, let's go to the Manage tab and then to the Facilities tab. As you can see, each facility has the option to be either bookable or not. You can turn on facility bookings by clicking on Edit. This will then open up the facility details. Scroll down and toggle on the bookable option. Once the bookable option has been turned on, it's going to open up some different options. First, there's price and eligibility. You will need to decide who can book your facility and how much you're going to charge them. By having a specific membership for people who book your facility, this will allow you to restrict your normal clients from booking the facility. You can then toggle this membership to on and set the price. Please note that if they have a facility booking membership and it expires, the price you set here will be charged to them if they try to book without a valid membership. Next, there is the schedule. As you can see, a second tab has now populated called Schedule. Navigate here to set when and for how long you wish to let out your studio. As you can see, there are two elements to this. First, the session duration. Right now, you can only select one duration. We recommend choosing the most common one. Secondly, you're going to select the days and then set the times during that day that the facility is available. You can add time slots throughout the day by clicking the blue plus icon. You can delete time slots by clicking on the trash can icon. Once finished, click Save, and your facility is now bookable. So, thanks for joining us on this short video. Next, you're going to learn how to create your staff.